Today we're going over how to shave your intimate area down there. If you do choose to shave down there, here are some of the best practices. First, we're going to go in with our trimmer. It's important that you have the right trimmer for the job. One that has different guards and allows you to trim at different hair lengths, reducing the amount of potential irritation. And for today, we're using the Gillette Intimate Trimmer. A general rule when trimming these sensitive areas is to always trim against the grain of hair growth. Also, make sure your hair and trimmer are completely dry. In the movements you see demonstrated, the intimate areas are being pulled away from the direction of the trimmer. The trimmer then runs along the outstretched area of the intimate parts, providing the largest amount of surface area and a smoother trim. Once you're done trimming, take a warm shower or bath to clean the excess hair from the pubic area and soften the hair. Once dried, apply an even layer of shaving cream to every area you plan to shave. This creates a layer of protection between your skin and the blade. For shaving, you want to make sure you have a clean and sharp razor, preferably one with multiple blades like this Gillette Intimate Razor. Repeat the same process as the trim by cutting against the grain of hair growth, stretching the intimate parts away from the razor and creating as much surface area as you can for a smooth and easy shave. Another key in these intimate areas is to use short strokes and to rinse the blade frequently to get rid of any excess hair or shave prep. Once you're done shaving, take a quick shower or rinse the area to get rid of any residual hair and apply an anti-chafing product to help reduce friction, as too much post-shave can induce irritation. And just like that, you're groomed and ready to go. I trust Gillette for shaving. After all, it's the best a man can get.